Yo, it's Bogue. Welcome back to another Kerbal Space Program video. Today, we're going to be checking out a new Pulsar system that was recently added to Cosmic Serenity, one of the top Interstellar planet pack mods out there for KSP right now. It's super awesome, so let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are in the tracking station near Kerbin, and if we zoom out outside the stock Kerbal system, we'll see these two new star system icons. The first star system in Cosmic Serenity was the Hades system, which is a pink LT transition brown dwarf system that I showcased in a previous video, and I'll link that above. It's been moved closer to Kerbal at about 2 light years away, Kerbal Light Years away in this update. It's super awesome in its own right, so make sure to check that out if you haven't already. But the most recent update adds the second system to this mod, which we'll be focusing on today, called Anubis, which is a pulsar system, existing about 5 Kerbal Light Years away from Kerbin. A pulsar is a rapidly spinning compressed core of neutrons left over from a supernova explosion. They're very compressed, usually only a couple kilometers across, but contain unfathomable mass. This one is about 12 kilometers across, but contains about 1.2 times the mass of the Sun in KSP. That means that 1 teaspoon of material from Anubis would weigh tens of billions of kilograms. They emit an intense magnetic field that shoots beams of radiation from its poles, and as they rotate, those beams sweep across space, creating a rhythmic pulsing effect, like a cosmic lighthouse signal from the heartbeat of an undead star, detectable from thousands of light years away. The Pulsar system is home to 3 planets, the first of which is called Neith. It's the dense core left over from what used to be a large gas giant. Its atmosphere was probably vaporized when the star went supernova and formed into a pulsar, so what's left is a dense planet with a thin rocky crust covering its exposed metallic interior. It looks like we may be able to explore its exposed metal core in Neith's larger impact craters, and it doesn't have an atmosphere and is a little under 2 times the gravity of Kerbin, so landing will pose a unique challenge. It's also worth mentioning that getting any closer to the pulsar from this planet, you may enter the zone of instant obliteration, so be advised. The second planet in the Anubis system is Sobek, which is theorized to be a second-generation planet formed from the debris created after the supernova explosion that created the pulsar and destroyed whatever planets may have existed before. Sobek has a thin ring that appears to be a disk of debris itself, which further reinforces this theory. It's unique in that it has a dense enough atmosphere for powered flight at about 0.87 atmospheres of pressure. This will be fun to explore with a spaceplane or SSTO, but beware that the atmosphere is not breathable. Within some of its canyons, it may find an oasis with liquid lakes or rivers at the bottom. Its magnetic field protects the atmosphere from some of the radiation from the pulsar, leading to magnificent glowing indigo auroras in its sky. The last planet is Ankh, which is a smaller planet than the others at only about 0.19 Gs. It's a mystery because its composition and size do not match up with what would be expected from the system. It's suggested that it could be a captured planet that was ejected from its original home system long ago, slowly frozen solid as it traveled through interstellar space. Its surface is home to what may be artificial structures of unknown origin and crystallized organic matter. This poses the question, could life have once existed on Ankh before its apocalypse event and undead afterlife in the new Pulsar system? You'll have to land and explore it yourself to find out. Orbiting Ankh is the wormhole WH4NK, which is connected to another wormhole orbiting the gas giant Caelus in the Hades brown dwarf system, which is a planet in the first system added to this mod that I talked about earlier. And that brings us to the end of the new star system added to the Cosmic Serenity mod for KSP. This one is quickly turning out to be one of the best Interstellar planet pack mods for KSP, and I'm super excited that its development is ongoing. There has been a third system teased to come out in the future on Proxima Centauri's Discord server. It's a K-type orange dwarf star called Yunkou. It's going to have a protoplanetary disk and a dozen or so planets, 2 of which will probably be habitable. Those will be the first truly habitable planets in Cosmic Serenity, so I'm definitely looking forward to seeing those when they come out, and I'll do a whole nother video on the update. Anyways, that's about it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more KSP content like this, and make sure to check out Cosmic Serenity, the last video that I did on the mod, and Proxima's Discord server, which I'll link down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.